I got this 100-foot line of Cat 5 cord from Deep Surplus, like maybe, I don't know, 6 or 7 years ago, and learned how to crimp my own ends for Cat 5, and it's kind of like not the gift that keeps on giving, but just a really good investment, I guess, because I've been installing my own lines ever since, and every random moment something comes up where I'm like, oh, maybe I should extend the internet line just a bit further. So today what I'm doing is I'm going to feed a line out from one of my switches to the backyard patio, just because of the Wi-Fi. I mean, it's there, but it's not that great, and it gets on my nerves. I don't want it to get on my nerves when I'm trying to relax out there. So of course I'm gonna extend the line with my own spool. So yay, thumbs up. So we're gonna do that today. Got my RJ45 plugs. I think that's what they're called. I don't even know the verbiage on most of this stuff. Got my little what's it called? Cable cutting and splicing, whatever stuff. And got my little crimping tool. Crimp. And so guess we'll go from there. Okay, well, going back to it, the reason why I even thought that I could do this on my own was because, wow, I'd say maybe 10 years ago, when I had my first cable internet installed, I was actually watching the installer thinking, oh, that's all it takes? I think I can do that. And then once I realized I could just buy the tools online, and just dive into it, I was like, yeah, I'm totally gonna do that. So now I'm doing it, and sometimes, admittedly, badly, yeah, because sometimes I get these, what do you call it, the arrangement messed up, and I scratch my head, and I'm like, I don't know what went wrong, but most of the time, I do okay. So here I am, again, on my own, going down the only road I've ever known when it comes to putting together RJ45 plugs with their cables. Hope you're enjoying the pink rug. It's a relic of the past. Okay. I need blue. Okay, blue. I need blue stripe. Okay. Now solid orange. Solid snake. Brown stripe. Solid brown. Okay. Now to crimp. Crimp. Doesn't that sound like some kind of rap term? Just want to say it like that. Okay. Stripe green, stripe orange, solid blue, stripe blue, solid orange, stripe brown, and brown. Okay. Got all our colors aligned. So we just put them in here, feed them in like that, and we crimp like a mother. Oh yeah. Okay. Y'all ready for this? Let's see. And what that does is it actually pushes the actual cable part through the that protective layer, and so it makes contact with these metal contacts right here. So I'm taking a look, trying to see if they actually got pushed through or if I need to exercise my fingers more. I probably need to do that anyway. It looks like they got through. Alright, it's time to do the other end. Now, being that I'm so lazy, I just pull it over. Yay! So having just done this a few seconds ago, you'd think, oh yeah, he knows it. He should know how to do it on the other end without having to look at the guide. But that's not true because my memory is pretty crappy these days. Yay. That's what happens when you have kids, I tell you. Solid snake, striped brown, solid brown. It's a reference to solid gold in case anybody remembers that. If you're around your 30s, you probably don't. Sorry you had to endure that joke. I'm sure you will persevere. Come on. Just trying to get these things as close together as I can. So when I feed it through the plug, there's no issue. Good. Dang-nabbit. I'd even try this. Okay, stripe, solid, stripe, solid, stripe, solid, stripe, solid. Here we go. It sucks because if you move it even just a little bit, you have to like do another little review, arrangement review or alignment review. I don't know what to call it. Okay, solid, stripe. Stripe, solid, orange. All right, here goes a nothing. Wait a minute. Okay, kind of moved a little when I pushed it in. Okay, looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's do this again. All right, okay, I think it's good. Okay, give it a nice little push. You crimp? I think the term is crimping. I actually don't remember. Okay, here we go. Ow, damn. Alright, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, this went all the way through. On this end, on this end. I can't tell. Looks okay. Alright, well, we'll try it out and see. So here's the line feeding from the switch over to the outside. Got my connector. Fob? No, it's not called a fob. Dongle, yes, dongle. Okay, plugging it in. Opening. Okay, turn off the Wi-Fi. It worked! Yay! Really? It really worked? I mean, yeah, of course it worked. See? Wi-Fi is off. And the internet is working. Yay!